is going on? My name is AlTone, and today I wanted to share with you an HDMI receiver and transmitter kit. Now, a kit like this is something great that you can use to be able to share your video from one device to another without having to run or look for extra long HDMI cables. Not only that, but if you purchase additional transmitters for this system, you can use multiple transmitters with this receiver and just click on the bind button to switch back and forth between your video sources. And it has built-in Wi-Fi, so you can connect your mobile devices as well. You can actually share your mobile device screen on a large screen television. So what comes in the box with the wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit is the transmitter, the receiver, an HDMI cable, mini and micro HDMI adapters, 2 removable antenna, 2 USB-C power cables, 2 power adapters, and a user manual. The transmitter has an HDMI cable as well as a USB-C power port on the bottom. And then you have that button that is your bind button to bind it to the transmitter, which will also allow you to switch your output to the device that's actually connected to that specific transmitter. On the receiver, you have the LED indicator, removable antennas, a 3.5mm headphone connection, a USB-C power port, an HDMI port, a VGA port, a power button, and a reset button. And here on the screen, I have some of the specifications that I think may be important or significant to you, so you can take a look through those specifications if you like. So I actually plan on using this to add another camera to my live stream setup, so I can actually share a little bit more of my studio space without having to run an extremely long HDMI cable from my computer all the way over to wherever that camera is going to be sitting. It's going to allow me to have some additional mobility and options for how I'm going to share different things in video on a live stream. So thank you so much for stopping by. I truly hope that this helped you out in some way. Have an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to talking to you again in a future video.